How you do, like Zen Buddhist phrase, how you do one thing is how you do anything. And so usually what you do in one area of your life shows up in other areas. Now, anxiety, depression, really they're kind of like, depression is like stress about the past, and anxiety is stress about the future, effectively. And so if you're in that present moment, and now there is no anxiety, because for there to be anxiety, it's something about something's going to happen. So being in the moment helps you reduce that anxiety levels. Most of the time it's about doing something and not creating yourself attached to the outcome of the thing, and just focus on the action. Okay, so you might not like doing the dishes, right? Okay, because you'd rather get someone else to do the dishes. But by focusing on that action, you detach yourself from the outcome, at least for me. Nature and babies are two of my greatest teachers, because they teach me how to do some of the things that we're going to be doing today, actually. Okay, so being in the moment and breathing and things like that. The disconnection between people's mind and body and their movement practice, and I take it for granted because I work in certain areas where I think everyone knows what I know, but actually they often don't, especially when I come to like corporates or things like this. And that's why sometimes I might explain things like, and you think, oh, I know that, but I can guarantee that someone next to you probably doesn't know that or needs reminding of that. I always need reminding of the basics as well. So thank you. Anybody else want to share before I move on?